everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. If the lighting's wonky, I'm still trying to get my settings on this new light correct, so don't mind that. As you guys can see from the title, this is going to be my Boxycharm video. All the information on Boxycharm is usually linked down below, so you can check that out. If my face looks two different colors, I have two different foundations on because I'm just testing things out. It's two different Fenty Pro Filter foundations. One's the dewy one on this side and the matte one's on this side, just so you know, in case anything looks weird. Alright, so we're going to get into my Boxycharm. I already got into it because I used some of the products today. Mine was kind of mangled when it came. It looked like someone tried to get into it, but whatever, that's besides the point. Okay, this month's theme is Refresh, which I guess is good for the new year. And I have variation 41, if anybody's interested. So I think I'll just go by order here of what's in the box. So the first thing that I have is my choice item, and this is the Pharmacy Feeling Good, not Feeling Good, Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. So it looks like this, and this retails for $44. Just let me see something. I'm going to destroy the box, but I'm keeping this anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Yeah, I got to rip the box apart because it's not opening neat, so it is what it is. So this is what this looks like. And let's see how stumbly I'll be if I try to read the description. A skin plumping micro filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced micellar hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. So I don't have a hyaluronic acid on the go right now back there with my skincare, so I might actually open that and take it out now. Box I'm just going to throw away. The next product in here is the Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. I wasn't sure if I was going to use this or not, or like pass it on or whatever, but I accidentally I looked at it and I dug the little sheet that came with it inside of it, so I'm like, oh, might as well try it. So here's a little booklet that comes with it, and here's what the palette looks like. And I have this on today as a contour. I just used the lightest contour shade. So here's what it looks like. Haven't used cream contour in a really long time. Well, I'm using a cream bronzer, but I use this color just a bronze. Like, it looks kind of warm toned, but you know, we'll see. We'll play with it. Okay, this kit contains 6 blendable silky creams that are designed to accentuate, define, and highlight your face. 3 contour shades for sculpting and 3 highlight creams to enhance your favorite features. This kit includes removable and refillable pans packaged in a travel-friendly mirrored palette, specially formulated for fair to dark skin tones. Yeah, I guess I could see that. No, I don't think that's dark enough for like dark skin tones. I don't know. I don't know if this is all inclusive, to be honest with you. And this retails for $40. The next product on here is, okay, this is from Earth Harbor. And this is the Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Superfruit Balance or Radiance Balm. And it retails for $38. Looks like this, the jar. Oh, it has a safety seal. I don't want to open that right now. because I have so much skincare and I'm trying to work my way through it. So that's what that looks like. As sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively ambiance of vitamins C, A, E, and K. What's that word? Omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for developing your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. So, I don't know if that was way up there. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, so we'll definitely give that a try, just not right now. And I said that retails for $38. The next product in here is from House Laboratories. And this is House Laboratories Glam Stick Liquid Shimmer Powder. This retails for $20. And it's in the color Dynasty. Look at the packaging. That's kind of cool, eh? It kind of reminds me of Lady Gaga because this is her brand. I'll swatch it for you guys in a minute. House the power of your own creativity with this versatile, multi-faceted shimmer liquid eyeshadow. The weightlessness smudge-proof liquid to powder formula is easily layered and blended on your eyes. Always have the spotlight building up. Yeah, okay. Building up creaseless pigment intensity is simple, so you can do it or do it down. Okay, so I actually ordered one of these from Amazon in a different color. It's in Angel Baby. It's a pink color. But Dynasty is quite out there. They're very pretty though, and they do turn to powder fairly quickly. So there's what Dynasty looks like. It's a shimmery green color. But I'll definitely try that. I wear greens. So, and then last but not least is from Dragon Beauty. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from Dragon Beauty before. Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. Contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy. This is super long too. Your ultimate lips fantasy with the XXX long pencil. Long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips. Needs free. What? Needle free. Okay, it serves... This formula serves fuller lips, needle free. Keep your lip job liners on point with the single Blonde Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm wearing that on my lips today as well, and I have a Cinderella lipstick over it from MAC. So this is super duper long, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on its own. It's just a nude color. Okay, and that's that, and then it does give you oh, it's up the other end. Who can't use a lip liner sharpener or an eyeliner sharpener, right? And it has the enclosure, so it saves the shavings inside, so then you can dump it out at a later time. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm if you get it? Leave comments down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. And hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and the post notification bell. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I vlog through the week and put those up on Saturdays. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.